Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to convert an HEIC file to a JPG. It's very simple. Let's dive into it. Okay, HEIC formats are mostly used by iPhones. They are formats that support some other devices and not other devices. And this actually is a good format because it maintains the quality of the photo while it's using less space. But for you to actually transfer stuff to another device and to use it on another device, you might need to convert it. So this is how you're going to convert it. Okay, there's so many ways you can convert this file. You can actually download a converter and convert it, or maybe you can do the easiest way that I'm going to show you right now. So what you're going to do is open your browser. I use Chrome, but any browser can work, literally any browser. So I'm going to open my Chrome browser. So what you're going to do is open this website. So I'm going to leave the link down below so you guys can access it. But what you're going to do is go to this website and then select the image that you want to convert. So I do have a sample image here. So as you can see, it's an HEIC file. So there we go. We open it. Convert to JPG. It won't take time. So it's done. Download your image. Save it to any folder you want to save. I'm going to save it here. Sample my JPG. There we go. It's done. I do have my picture and it's now JPG. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you on the next video. Goodbye.